Hello beautiful people, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make your own glow body scrub at home. And this glow scrub can be made simply out of the ingredients in your kitchen. Guys, if you're watching me for the first time, please do consider subscribing. Show your girl some love. It's free. Click on that notification bell so you don't miss any video of mine whenever I post. And if you're an existing subscriber already, welcome back. Thank you all so much for joining me in today's video. Guys, please make sure you watch till the end, and also do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. So let's get right into it. So guys, we'll be needing a mixing bowl to mix all our ingredients in, and also a spoon or a spatula in which you can use to mix all the ingredients. So the first ingredient is sugar. You can use white sugar or brown sugar, or you can choose to mix both together. And we all know sugar is used for scrubs to exfoliate dead skin cells and also reveal the glowing skin underneath. The next ingredient is turmeric. We all know turmeric provides glow to the skin and also revive your skin by bringing out its natural glow. Next ingredient is olive oil. Olive oil is a cleansing agent. It's also a moisturizer. It also hydrates, and it's a natural sunblock. The next ingredient is honey. Honey keeps the skin from drying out. It protects the skin, repair and prevent skin damage. The next ingredient is milk. Milk helps to reduce signs of aging. It moisturizes the skin. It's a mild exfoliator. It lightens and brightens the skin. The next ingredient is lemon juice. Lemon juice naturally contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that may help to reduce skin damage and premature aging. It also helps to reduce oil on the skin. The next ingredient is vitamin E, which is optional. It helps to hydrate the skin, it reduces sun damage, it moisturizes the skin and also prevents signs of aging. The next ingredient is peppermint oil, which is also optional. It helps to cleanse the skin and it also has antiseptic and antibacterial properties. So guys, to store our scrub, we'll also be needing an airtight container, any container of your choice, but it should be airtight. So guys, thought I would show you the previous scrub I made, which as you can see, it's almost finished. It's so good and really effective. Like, it's super effective, and I think I used just 3 to 4 ingredients for this scrub. So first I'll be adding my sugar to the bowl. So we'll be going in with our dried ingredient first, then the wet ingredient. Next I'll be adding my milk. You can use liquid milk, any liquid milk of your choice. And next I'll be adding in my turmeric powder. And next is to mix all the dried ingredients properly. So once done mixing, the next step is to add in your wet ingredients. So add olive oil, and next is vitamin E oil. Next is peppermint oil. We're going in with honey also, and also adding lemon juice. Then mix properly. Guys, please remember I said the peppermint oil and the vitamin E oil, both oils are optional, so if you really don't have them in your kitchen, you can just keep that. So guys, this should be the consistency you get. Aim to have this consistency. You don't want your scrub to be too watery because the sugar will dissolve inside, and that's no scrub at all. So next is to transfer the mixture into an airtight container. You can also use a mason jar, so just make sure the container is airtight like I said earlier. Guys, this scrub should be used no more than 3 times a week, and also it should be kept in a cool, dry place. To use this scrub, you have to wet your skin using lukewarm water, then apply the scrub in circular motions. Don't scrub too hard, guys. Maintain gentle pressure. Let it sit on the skin for 5 minutes, then you rinse thoroughly with warm water, and after that you follow up with your favorite bathing soap or shower gel. Trust me guys, this scrub would give you a soft and glowing skin. It also helps in removing dead skin cells, which helps promote clear skin. Guys, to use this scrub on your face, you have to apply the scrub gently on the face with less pressure. Guys, you don't want to go too rough on the face. And if you've never used a body scrub before, make sure you test the body scrub on a small patch of your skin. Guys, we all know turmeric can stain, so please be mindful of your clothing while using this scrub. And guys, this scrub can be used by all skin type, but if you have a sensitive skin, please make sure you do a patch test before using. So if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Please do make sure to subscribe, click on the notification bell. Do give this video a big thumbs up if you really did find it helpful, and also leave me a cool comment down below in the comment section. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.